Hi, I'm Erin Hunt-Carter, and I'm a clinical psychologist at Great Lakes Mental Health. Today, I want to show you how to make a coping kit, a simple box you can reach for when emotions are high and you need help fast. Start with a box. A shoebox works great, but really any box will do. Then, we're going to fill it with things that can help when you're feeling anxious, panicked, sad, or dealing with strong urges or cravings. When emotions are intense, it's hard to come up with ways to help yourself on the spot. Having everything in one place, already figured out ahead of time, makes it much easier to take care of yourself when you're feeling overwhelmed. Let me show you what's in my box. And these are just ideas. First, I have a filled out copy of an emotion regulation reset sheet and a coping skills sheet. These give me a simple plan to follow when I'm overwhelmed or not thinking clearly. You can download both of these for free on our website. Next, I have a few things for distraction. I keep a small craft project I'm working on, a puzzle. I have coloring book and colored pencils. If you include activities like these, make sure that everything you need is already in the box. You don't want to be searching for missing pieces or pencils when you're feeling distressed. I also have a few fidget toys because sensory stimulation can really help when emotions are overwhelming. I have this colorful fidget that makes a satisfying noise. I have an ordinary fidget cube to keep my hands busy. I also like to have something like thinking putty or Play Doh. Anything that you can squeeze, stretch, or manipulate can be very soothing. I also have a blank journal and a pen in case I need to just write it out. The next thing that I have in my box is the number for the crisis text line. It's always a good idea to have support information close at hand. We have lots of magnets like these, so if you'd like one, let us know and we can get one to you. And finally, I have candy. Strong flavors can actually help interrupt intense emotional states. So I like to keep a few spicy cinnamon flavored candies. And I also like to keep some sour ones. It might sound silly or small, but strong sensory experiences can really help your nervous system reset. These are just examples of the kinds of things you might put in a coping kit. If you decide to make one, I'd love to hear what you include in yours. Thanks for being here.